Hey everyone, we got a brand new camera here. Super excited to check it out. We got the R5C from Canon. This is the kit version with 24 to 105 R mount lens. Gotta get new lenses for this, or I also have an adapter for my old EF lenses. But happy to get back into the Canon ecosystem. I've missed Canon a lot. I'm filming this on a Panasonic S1H, which is an amazing camera, but I've come from a long lineage of Canon cameras over my lifetime, and the last one I had was a C100, and I just miss everything about it. That camera was my friend. This Panasonic is great. It's my friend too, but this one is definitely a little more quirky than the C100. And I also got a little taste of that cinema menu, which was really nice. So let's crack this open, see what you get with the 24 to 105 package. We'll test out the weight, we'll give it a sniff. Hit that subscribe button because I'm going to go out over the next couple days and start shooting, filming with it 8K, 6K, 4K, time lapses, slow motion. I'm really excited for all the options that this thing can do. So if this is what they say, then it's going to be the future of cinema. We're going to be shooting in 8K now from now on. So if you thought 4K was crazy, well, now we're dealing with 8K. So let's crack this open and see what we got inside. There's always something I forgot to order, and one thing that I think you need with this is extra batteries. Get yourself an extra battery, and get yourself a lens cover. Just a clear lens cover, get that on right away. Protect that lens. Oh boy, look at this. Wowie wow. All right, here we go. This is like $6,000, these two things. Which is kind of crazy, but in the long run, if you're a professional, you're doing lots of gigs already, and 6K is just kind of a drop in the bucket because these are your tools, and this is what is going to impress clients and spread your name around. This is an investment for your future. This is going to wow people. This is going to make you get these clients coming back and get you more clients. They're going to do all the legroom because they're like, hey, we know this guy who's got an amazing cinema camera and the footage just looks awesome. So let's crack this one open first. Looks nice. Looks very, very nice. I like this kind of pixelated newsprint style packaging they have. Yeah, looks great. All right, so in the box. Well, here it is, right on top. All right, you do get a battery and a charger. It's good to know, but like I said, extra batteries are gonna help with this thing. I guess it really eats through the batteries. Instruction manual, neck strap, plug for your USB-C. Gives you a USB-C cord and a little connector so that you don't mess up your ports as it's jiggling around, which is great. Definitely look into cages for this thing. If you're going to be plugging stuff in to the side, you want to save those ports. You need these little connectors that's going to really hold that cable there so it's not yanking your plug around, because once those go, it's pretty hard and expensive to get those fixed. All right, that's what's in the box. Normal stuff. Oh yes, crazy. This is way smaller than the S1H. And this is light. Everyone was saying this is heavy. This is really light. I know it doesn't have a lens on it yet, but This is awesome. There's buttons all over it, which could be a little confusing, but it looks like they've numbered them. And, you know, after using this thing, you know what your favorite numbers are, and you can customize all these buttons as well. There's just buttons all over the place. There's 12. Let's get this battery in there, see how much this weighs. This is really light and it's really small. Compared to the S1H, the S1H probably comes out to here. This is puny. This is like the Sony's A7s, except you got a little bit of this coming off, which you're gonna need. You need these high-powered fans, and they were able to also stick in a little timecode spot for you. So when you're connecting these things, daisy chaining them up to other ones, you're all gonna be locked into the same timecode. One thing I am noticing, this their little LED screen on top, it's very small. And I'm sure you're gonna get all your information that you need in the viewfinder and the EVF. So let's get this battery in there. Interesting. So there's another port in here as well. That may be the extra power supply port. Yeah, it's weightless. This is this is crazy. 8K out of this little tiny light thing. This fits really well in my hand, by the way. The grip feels really good. I've got rather medium large hands. Feels awesome. All right, I'm very happy so far with my purchase. Let's get the lens out and onto this thing. We should be really excited to be living in this time as camera people, as media creators. This is like the future. This is what you wanted for the last 100 years, and we have it now. Camera companies are getting to the peak of excellence, and we are the lucky ones that get to take advantage of this. You have every filmmaking little trick up your sleeve now with this thing. You can do super slow-mo in 4K. You can do time-lapse. You can do huge long pans with this thing. You can crop in. From one lens, you're gonna be able to get a couple lenses. If you're shooting in 8K, this turns that one shot into many different shots because you can crop in. You shoot in a wide angle, and then you've got a wide, and then you can crop in really tight when you need that medium shot or that close-up shot. So this gives you tons of different options for filming, for doing interviews, just for making amazing stuff now. So I'm pretty pumped on this. Enough talking, let's get this lens out and on there. Usual bag I never use. Yep. All right, here's where the weight is really coming in. So this is a fairly small lens. Fits in my hand. Does it say how much it weighs? I would say this is probably 4 to 5 pounds. Very solid. That's a great connector that this has on there. Does not feel flimsy at all. Really connected. Better than the Panasonic. The Panasonic is like, click. This one feels really nice and tight. Okay, you got a little bit of weight, but this is still nothing. This is nothing. This is insane. This is blowing my mind. Let me go out and get some footage for us now. I'm super pumped and excited to go use this. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Come on back in a couple days. I will do my best to get you guys some great footage, and you can see how nice this camera performs. Is it worth the price? Maybe. Probably. I wasn't so sure on the S1H when I first got it. It was also around a $6,000 package with the lens. But once I saw that image, I knew it was worth it. The image is so good and so crisp, and so I have really high hopes about this. I'm gonna put this up against the S1H. That's another video I have planned, so definitely come back and check that one out. But yeah, well done, Canon. I'm liking this little thing so far. Look at this thing. Look at how small it is. Just, you know, one-hander, no problem. Awesome. All right, I'm very happy. So let me go and take some video for you all. Come on back, join the channel down below, and I'll see you at the next one. Take care.